To use LG PenTouch TV, you must connect a dedicated touch pen to the TV. Let's look at how to connect a wireless touch pen. Connect the wireless PenTouch dongle to the USB port on the back of your TV. While holding the touch pen close to the dongle, press the power button on the touch pen. When the power turns on, press the Touch Home button on the touch pen to open the Touch Home. The battery status of the touch pen is displayed at the top of the Touch Home. You can connect another touch pen in the same way to use both pens at the same time. Now let's look at how the sketchbook and office functions of PenTouch TV work. To use the sketchbook, touch the sketchbook icon on Touch Home. You can use the drawing toolbar at the bottom of the screen to draw freely. The star at the top of the screen represents the page on which you are drawing. You can draw on up to 3 consecutive pages. The navigation buttons on the left and right sides of the screen flip through the pages. If you have 2 connected touch pens, you can draw with both pens at the same time. The Office Viewer allows you to view Microsoft Office files and PDF files on your TV. You can only use this function with a USB storage device connected. To open an Office document, connect the USB storage device that contains the file, and then select Office on the Touch Home. You can select a file from the list and view its content, and then you can use the drawing tool to write memos or draw sketches on the file.